Okay, so we want to put something called a decal on. So if I want to put a logo onto a bottle, this is how I do it. I'm going to choose decal, and I've got a image already saved, so I'm going to go and find that image. Basically on my desktop I've got one called yellow logo, so I'm going to choose my yellow logo. Now you'll notice it's a PNG. If you get a file which is PNG, it means it's got a transparent background. That's what you want. You can't use JPEG because they're not transparent. You have to have a PNG file type. So I'm going to open this one, and it's going to say where do I want to put it. This is the select face, so I'm going to choose this area here, and there's my logo. Now once my logo goes in, before I fix it in position, I can do things with it. So I can move it around, I can flick it through to 90 degrees or whatever area I want. I can make it slightly bigger or slightly smaller to make it suit. So if I do that, it obviously bends around my bottle. So if I move my bottle, you can see that the logo goes around it. When I'm happy with my logo, I just click OK, and that's fixed on as my decal image. Now I can put a decal image on any surface area, and I can basically make it any color, but I need to make sure it's a PNG file for it to work properly. So you could do the same thing with text. You could make text in Photoshop and just make sure that it's transparent PNG when you export it. You can also do things like, if I show you another one I did, this one has got a rubber mat put on. So I basically went onto Google, I found a picture of rubber matting, and I cut it to a kind of oval shape, and I brought that in as well. So you can add texture effects to bottles to make them look more interesting.